What perils are covered under home insurance coverage B? Have you ever wondered what happens to your detached structures during a storm or fire? Home insurance coverage B, also known as other structures coverage, is here to help. This coverage protects buildings on your property that are not attached to your main home. Think about your shed, fence, or detached garage. These structures are often vulnerable to various events, and that is where coverage B comes in. So what perils are typically covered under this section? Generally, the events covered align closely with those in your main dwelling coverage. You can expect protection against fire and lightning, which can cause significant damage. Windstorms and hail are also included, as they can wreak havoc on your property. If a tree falls on your shed, that damage is usually covered too. Vandalism and theft are also part of the package, ensuring you are protected against unwanted acts. Additionally, snow damage and other natural disasters, like storms, are typically covered as well. However, it is important to know what is not covered. Flooding and earthquakes usually requiring separate policies. Normal wear and tear or gradual deterioration are not included either. Damage caused by pests or rodents, mold damage, and intentional damage are also excluded. If you use any of these structures for business purposes or short-term rentals, they may not be covered under this section. Another key point is that coverage B does not cover the contents inside these detached structures. Personal property inside is generally covered under a different section of your policy. Coverage B limits are often set as a percentage of your dwelling coverage, commonly around 10%. However, this can vary depending on your insurance provider and the number of detached structures you own. In practical terms, having coverage B means that if a covered event damages your detached structures, your policy can help pay for repairs or replacements. This is especially important in areas prone to storms or other natural hazards. Always take the time to review your specific policy to understand which perils are covered and any exclusions or limits that may apply.